बहुत बार हम लोग देखते हैं, इवन आई फेस द सेम थिंग। हम जब बिजनेस ज्वाइन करते हैं, हमारे पास दुनिया भर के आइडियाज होते हैं, यू आर लाइक यू हैव जस्ट कम आउट ऑफ द एक काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, आई नो एवरीथिंग, आई वांट टू डू दिस, आई वांट टू डू दैट, आई वांट टू डू दिस, आई वांट टू डू दिस। उसके ऊपर जब आप आपके पिताजी को या दादाजी को कुछ प्रपोजल डालते हो, बोलते नहीं नहीं, दिस इज नॉट हैपनिंग, ये नहीं हो सकता। सो व्हेन यू एंटर द बिजनेस, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर फर्स्ट इज दैट यू आर नॉट अ शैडो ऑफ योर फादर एंड ग्रैंडफादर, यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर ओन आइडेंटिटी, एंड दैट इज वेयर दिस कम्स इनटू पिक्चर। So when I joined business, I joined in 2003, June, July, and when I really took over the business, it was 2005. And after 2005, we decided to expand our business. So before that, our turnover was somewhere around 20 to 23 crores. So I came into picture and I said, we're renovating the store, isko bada karna hai, ye karna hai. I had all the marketing ideas in the world to implement. So I went to my dad with a marketing idea those times. I said, why not we do a scheme? We'll do a scheme in this new store where we'll get in a retailer, we'll get all the retailers, so we'll get in one electronics ka retailer, one kapde ka hum hi hai, one jeweler and one car जो दिवाली में बिकती है चीज़ें, one car or a two-wheeler guy on board, make a group of 4 and we'll do a scheme, we'll give big gifts, like we'll give a big car और साथ में fridges, TVs ये सब देंगे, because we had seen this scheme happening somewhere. When I presented this idea to my dad, he was like, नहीं, नगर में ये सब मुश्किल है, नगर में कौन करता है, नगर में स्कीम्स चलती ही नहीं है, ये तो बड़े बड़े मेट्रोज में होती है इस टाइप की स्कीम्स, आई डोंट थिंक दिस स्कीम्स वुड वर्क एंड रियली थिंक ये स्कीम करने से अपना टर्नओवर बढ़ेगा। ही सेड आई डोंट थिंक ये करना चाहिए, बट आई वाज कन्विंस्ड। दैट इज वेयर आई स्पोक टू अ न्यूज़पेपर, वी स्पोक टू अ न्यूज़पेपर एंड सेड व्हाई डोंट यू कम ऑन बोर्ड एज पार्टनर्स, प्रिंट मीडिया पार्टनर्स। दे ऑल्सो लाइक द आइडिया, सेड ओके, देन वी थॉट और क्या कर सकते हैं, और क्या कर सकते हैं। Then I went to dad again and I said, okay, now you rejected his idea, but this newspaper has liked this idea and they are open to coming on board with us. And I've also got a name for this. Why not we call this Nagar Shopping Festival? This is way back then. He still was not convinced. Then I had to again sit with him. I had to show him the figures. If we do this scheme, probably we'll get this sale, we'll get this, पूरे जिले से लोग आएंगे, and all that we did it. Finally said, okay, if you feel so, give it a shot, you are convinced, let's take a chance. We took that chance. After that, consecutive 7 years we did this Nagar Shopping Festival and we saw a huge difference in our turnover. Well, I'm open to share here, 2007-8 के बाद में हमारा turnover literally 23-24 से 52 touch कर लिया. How did this happen? Yes, the store expansion helped, but we created a new identity for the organization where we said, you're shopping with us, it is our duty that you also get something out of it. Let's celebrate this as Nagar Shopping Festival, and we did a beautiful job. So that is one point. Another thing, 6 years back, we started this 3-day sale that we started back then. 3 Divas Anandache, we used to call them. 3 days of happiness is what we used to call them. Again, why did this idea come? We had a lot of stock that was with us. The wedding season had finished, but we overstocked ourselves. So I told that, wedding season तो ख़त्म हो गया, अब मार्च अप्रैल आ गया, अब सीधा सीज़न आएगा दिवाली में, and we have got this much stock. Why don't you do something different? हम लोग एक काम करते, 3 दिन तक पूरे दुकान पे जितना है सब पे 25% डिस्काउंट लगा देते. My dad said, have you gone mad? तेरा दिमाग जगह पे है, what are you trying to do? I said, we'll liquidate this stock and it will help us, दिवाली के लिए पूरा नया कर लेंगे. He was very reluctant to this idea also. So I sat with our marketing people and discussed with them how we can figure this out. We designed the theme, we designed everything, and I presented to Dad again. This. He said, no, this is not going to work. I don't think we should go ahead with this. So again, I'll share one more thing that you also can use a sphere of influence here. So our marketing guy, who was Mr. Manoj Gugle, he used to be very close to me and dad. Dad used to trust him a lot. Now that time dad thought कि ये पागल कुछ भी आइडिया लेके आया हुआ है तो कुछ वर्कआउट होने वाली नहीं है. So I had to literally use that sphere of influence of Mr. Manoj Gugle. When I told him, he's not convinced, please do the honors. That is where he got involved. He said, Dad, I think this is a good idea. Let's give him a chance. अच्छा idea है. Let's do it. Then Dad said, ठीक है, let's do this. Now, 2 days before that mega sale, Dad called up Mr. Manoj Gugle again and said, cancel all the ads. Don't do this. This is going to be a blunder. 25% on everything. What? There is no point doing this. To my happiness, Manoj Gugle that time replied कि नहीं अभी पेपर में सब चले गया है. I will not be able to change this. We have given it to the media and now we can't take it back. The papers are already going to tell that we cannot take this back because full page ads, right? So वो कर दिया. उसके बाद में you will not believe what happened for those 3 days. 1.5 दिन के अंदर हम लोग 30% स्टॉक के लिए स्टॉक आउट थे, जिसके बारे में हमने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था. टॉवल्स, बेडशीट्स, डोवर्स, ये सब सोल्ड आउट हो गए. प्लस वी आर सेलिंग आवर स्टॉक्स. इन दोज 3 days we did a business of 3.5 crores. My dad went berserk. He said, what is this? I said, I don't know. We tried it, it worked. After that, we have been doing this since last 6 years every year. And now we have, expanded this to 4 days. Now we call it 4 दिवस आनंदाचे, 4 days of happiness. And now, अभी ऐसा होता है कि पब्लिक डिमांड पे करना पड़ता है हमको. And now, because we have got a lot of inventory control in place, we don't have stocks. So we have to purchase new stocks in able to be able to sell during this sale period. So मैंने वो करके दिखाया जो मेरे कोई भी जनरेशन ने नहीं किया था. वो चीज़ क्या थी? सुबह 7, 7:30 से दुकान के बाहर लाइन लग गई कि आज यहाँ पे 25% डिस्काउंट मिलने वाला है. There were people waiting outside the store. When we reached the store, we were like, shit, ये क्या हुआ? And another thing happened. My dad got a phone call कि अरे तुम्हारा सेल चालू हुआ, तुम्हारे दुकान के बाद गर्दी है, मेरे को यार कहीं से साइड के गेट से अंदर जल्दी ले लेना. So this, my dad was like, what is happening? क्या हो रहा है दुकान के अंदर? Even before we could go live. So I think I created something that even my earlier generations could not. Wherein, दुकान के बाहर 7:30 बजे सुबह लाइन आ गई. So what we understand from this is that, you are not only selling a product. For me, Ashwin Gandhi was not only selling a product. I wanted to create an experience, sell an experience to my customers. So उस टाइम पे हम लोगों ने जो नगर शॉपिंग फेस्टिवल किया, उससे हमने क्या हासिल किया? जो कॉर्पोरेट में होता था, बड़े बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में होता था, बड़े बड़े सिटीज़ में होता था, हम लोग उसको टायर 3 में लेके आए. क्या चीज़ लेके आए कि आप शॉपिंग भी कीजिए और गिफ्ट भी जीतिए. दैट इज़ हाउ वी स्टार्टेड दिस न्यू थिंग. एंड जब हमने जब ये 25% का 4 दिवस आनंदाचे या 3 दिवस आनंदाचे 3 days 4 days सेल हमने किया, उस टाइम पे देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस फ्रॉम माय डैड. बट आई हैड टू कीप ऑन गोइंग. I did not stop. How convinced I am and how confident I am, that also is very important. If you have some idea, you really think you can implement it, you have to go hammer and tongs. You have to go behind that idea, convince your father, grandfather, your management, your board, whatever it is. You have to convince them that this is going to work. I am convinced. I need a shot at this and I will do it convincingly. So it is very critical that you yourself are convinced of the idea. And जब आपको resistance आता है, you don't just give away कि नहीं यार नहीं बोल दिया पापा ने तो नहीं करूँगा. नहीं, अगर आपको लगता है मैं कर सकता हूँ, टेक इट एज अ चैलेंज एंड प्रूव योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज वंस यू डू दैट, इसके आगे आपको कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा. सो अगेन कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, आई थिंक आई क्रिएटेड माई यूनेस इन द स्टोर, वेयर आफ्टर दैट डैड सेड ओके यू आर द मार्केटिंग गुरु, आई टेक अ बैक सीट, वॉट एवर मार्केटिंग का तेरे को करने का है, यू हैव माई फ्री हैंड. सो आई टुक दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विथ अथॉरिटी, conviction and my performance. So I would really say that get your newness into the organization where you could create an identity for yourself.